If you've ever sat in front of a Spanish food stall at a festival, sweaty, hungry, clutching a handful of coins and thought, what on earth do I say? This video is for you. Because the secret to eating like a local isn't just what you order, it's how you order it. And today I'm going to show you the exact Spanish phrases that you'll need to confidently join the churro queue, impress the locals and actually get fed. And if you fancy learning even more foodie Spanish and are ready to kickstart your Spanish journey, take a look at my beginner's guide to getting started in Spanish and speaking with confidence, aka my Spanish starter kit. You can download it for free by following the link in the description of this video. But first, if you're new around here, bienvenidos, yo soy Kelly and this is Adventures in Spanish. And I've been creating and delivering fun and engaging Spanish lessons to adults and children of all ages and abilities since I moved back to the UK after an epic 20-year adventure in South America. So festivals in Spain are all about food. The streets turn into open-air dining rooms with churros, sardines, buñuelos, octopus, you name it. But here's the thing, when the stall is busy and everyone around you is ordering at lightning speed, mumbling and pointing just doesn't cut it. Ordering with confidence, however, gets you served faster and it earns you a smile instead of an eye roll. Plus, you'll feel like you're really part of the fiesta instead of just watching it. So let's get practical. Here are the magic phrases that you'll want to put in your pocket. Magic phrase number 1. Una tapa de. Una tapa de. Una ración de. Una ración de. Para llevar. Para llevar. ¿Cuánto cuesta? ¿Cuánto cuesta? And don't forget to always finish these phrases with por favor. So let's put it together. So, una ración de churros, por favor. Easy. Just think of it like a little performance. I don't know. I mean, you don't need perfect grammar, but if you say it clearly and with confidence, you'll blend in. Una ración de churros, por favor. Here are a few more insider tips. So, first of all, money matters. Festival vendors don't want your €50 note for a €3 churro. Bring coins or small bills. Eye contact really helps. So catch the vendor's attention, smile and be ready to order. Have that phrase practiced and ready to go. The menus are often handwritten. So if you're not sure what something is, it's fine to ask ¿qué es? Or ¿cómo se dice en español? When you're asking these questions, it shows interest, not ignorance. Okay, so let's practice ordering sardines. Una ración de sardinas al espeto, por favor. Una ración de sardinas al espeto, por favor. And if you're craving something sweet, una tapa de buñuelos, por favor. Una tapa de buñuelos, por favor. And if you're thirsty, un vaso de horchata, por favor. Un vaso de horchata, por favor. Pause the video here and have a go at practicing and saying these phrases out loud. And you'll start to see how natural it sounds. Okay, so next time you're at a Spanish festival, whether that's La Tomatina or Los Reyes Magos, don't just follow your nose, follow your Spanish. And don't forget, if you want to go deeper, grab my Spanish starter kit. You'll find the link to download it for free in the description. And with a couple of simple phrases, you'll go from just being a nervous tourist to a confident local in no time, believe me. So if you found this helpful, like, subscribe and let me know in the comments what's the most memorable street food you've ever ordered in Spain or anywhere else. I'd love to hear your stories. Hasta la próxima. Adiós.